It's pretty straightforward. Just follow these steps. First, make sure the product you want is eligible. COD only works with items shipped using AliExpress Direct. When you're looking at a product, check the shipping method. It needs to say AliExpress Direct. If it doesn't, cash on delivery won't be an option. Once you've found an eligible item, add it to your cart. You can even add more than one item, even from different stores, as long as they all support COD. When you go to checkout, choose cash on delivery as your payment method. You'll be asked to enter a 6-digit code sent to your phone to verify your number and confirm the order. After placing the order, you'll get a notification within about 9 days, letting you know your package is ready to be shipped. Open the AliExpress app to double-check details like your shipping address, phone number, and total price. Before they actually ship it, AliExpress will ask you to confirm that you still want the order. If you don't reply, they'll cancel it automatically, so make sure to stay on top of notifications. When your package is on the way, a courier will call you to confirm a delivery time. Once that's set, you'll get your order within about 2 days and you'll pay the courier in cash when it arrives. It's also good to know that if your order gets canceled or refunded, AliExpress might give you a coupon for the same amount so you don't lose out completely. One extra tip, always keep an eye on the courier's call and the tracking updates in the app. This ensures you won't miss your delivery and avoids confusion with cash payment. COD can be a convenient way to shop safely, especially if you're cautious about online payments or just want to see the product before paying. Just make sure the item is eligible, confirm your order on time, and have the cash ready when it arrives to make the process smooth and hassle-free.